when a person dies, a loved one, how could I benefit them? There are 4 authentic ways to benefit a deceased, and many, many unauthentic. Number 1 from the authentic is dua. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, when the son of Adam dies, all of his deeds are interrupted except 3. Number 1, sadaqatun jariyah, continuous charity. Give example, a well, masjid, school. I'm buying time. I have 10 minutes. I have to waste time. Quran, books, Islamic channel, Islamic newspaper, da'wah organization, orphanage, tahfidh Quran. The sky is the limit. What's the key? It is ongoing. If you feed someone, is it sadaqah jariyah? He's going to eat it, and then 2 hours later it's going to be flushed. It's gone. But a continuous sadaqah is ongoing. A well, people keep on drinking from it. A masjid, a book, a Quran, it's continuous, and the deeds are regenerating. So the Prophet says, sadaqatun jariyah, أو علم نافع ينتفع به, beneficial knowledge, like the one I'm doing, hopefully. So when I'm dying and I'm dead in my grave, you watch my videos, you watch my lectures, I am dead. But the meter is clicking, it's working. This is beneficial knowledge. When we hear the name Imam Ahmad, Imam Malik, when we hear Ibn Taymiyyah, Ibn Al-Qayyim, these mountains, they're dead, but they left their legacy. So they have علم نافع ينتفع به. Number 3, ولد صالح يدعو له. And this translates to a righteous offspring, whether boy or girl, because some of the translators say a righteous boy, and the sisters were angered by this. Walad in Arabic refers to both boy and girl, and a lot of the Arabs don't know this. But in the Quran it says, يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين, meaning أولاد, الولد, refers to boys and girls. So this is what the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam. So the best is dua. When you make dua for the deceased, whether you are of his offspring or a total stranger, it will reach him with the grace of Allah. Whether you ask for forgiveness, for mercy, expansion of his grave, putting light in it, opening a window from Jannah, any kind of dua, it will reach. Number 2, charity, whether from his offspring or from a stranger. Any charity you give, such as Ramadan is coming. Okay, this Ramadan, there's an organization, here is money. I want to feed fasting people, break their fast. Taftir Sa'im of 100 people on behalf of my father or my mother or my siblings or my relatives or my friend. It reaches them without any doubt. Number 3 and 4, Umrah and Hajj. And with the grace of Allah Azza wa Jalla, Allah blessed me. I live in Jeddah. Every month I make one Umrah for my father, and the following month I make it for my mother. And I do it every single month with the grace of Allah. Why? I love them. I don't have anything that could reach them except this Umrah. And it's 1 hour and 15 minutes drive. And I stay in a 5-star hotel. I enjoy it. So it's 2 birds with 1 stone. So you can do this. Oh, Sheikh, it's a long way. I can't do it. Pay for Umrah maybe 1,200 ringgit. Someone will do it for you. So many poor people in Mecca, they'll do it for you for 1,200. For Hajj, maybe a little bit more. But you can do that. And this would reach. Anything else? No. It's disputable. Such as reading the Quran. There is nothing in the Quran or the Sunnah says that when we read the Quran and give the thawab, it will reach them. What about praying for them? Every night I pray 2 rak'ahs for my deceased father. No, this is not good. What about fasting? Fasting is different. Fasting, if they have a debt, the deceased had debts on him. He had vowed to fast 10 days and he died. Did not fulfill. You, as his relative, can. As an heir, you can fast on his behalf. Only if he has debts, not voluntary fasting and so on. Okay, what to give to the deceased? So we have dua, we have charity, we have umrah, and we have hajj. And fasting only when there is a debt, such as a vow or a missed fasting Ramadans that he did not make up, and he did not have a legitimate reason not to make them up. But if he was sick and he died before being able, no, we're exempted from doing that. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Wa sallallahu wa sallam wa barak ala nabiyyina Muhammad.